Hello children, good morning everyone. In today's class, you are going to learn second part of the prose, the gift. Okay, you already learned meanings from this gift lesson. Is it children? Do you all remember it? Okay, fine children. In last class, you learned glossaries of the gift lesson and also first part. Today, we will move on to second part of this prose. Okay. In first part, you learned that the old man taking rest under a tree, and a poor man asked him to come to his hut, and he likes to offer some food to the old man, is it? So that he brings the old man to his hut. The hut was very small and it could not withstand the monsoon. If one rain comes, means the hut will be destroyed, and there are no furnitures also. But only a few utensils were there for use. They are using some of the vessels to cook. Okay, the people in the house, a lady and two children, were very happy to welcome the old man in. They made him sit comfortably. The children sat near him. The man introduced himself and his family. See, the old man comes to the poor man's house, and there are four members in that house. One is Kalyan, and other one is his wife, and also two children. Okay, see, very happy to welcome the old man. They are welcoming the old man very happily. They made sit comfortably and also introduces himself and also his family. The poor man introduced himself and also his family. I am Kalyan. I work in the farm nearby. This is my wife Viji and my children Gopi and Ratika. Soon the children got close to the grandpa. See, Kalyan's wife name is Viji and he works in a farm nearby. And Kalyan had two children. One name is Gopi and other name is Ratika. Okay. Soon the children got very close to the old man. Soon the children become very close to the old man, and also they started to asking questions and played with him. Kalyan helped the old man wash his face and hands. When the old man entered the hut, Viji was ready to serve the food. They all sat in a circle. Viji served the gruel from an earthen pot. First she gave to the old man, and then to the children, and then Kalyan. After the dinner, Kalyan laid a mat for the old man to sleep. See, Kalyan helped the old man to wash his face, and then after that, Viji served him gruel. Okay, this is a gruel porridge. Okay, and then they had their dinner, and also Kalyan laid a mat for the old man to sleep and asked the old man to sleep with them itself. Kalyan asked the old man to sleep with himself. Okay, so as of now you understand the story, is it children? Although many rich people didn't offer any food to the old man, Kalyan is in very poor family. See what happens in the next day. Next morning, the beggar asked them to pack their things. They all couldn't understand why he asked so. Before they could ask anything, the beggar said, I am not a beggar. I am a landlord from a nearby town. My family and I were helping the poor and the needy. My wife and son died 2 years back. Without them, I continued my service. See, next day morning, the beggar man asked all of them to pack their things with them. They all couldn't understand. They didn't understand anything. Before asking itself, the poor man said that he is not a beggar. Before they could ask anything, the beggar replied, I am not a beggar. I am a very rich landlord from the nearby town. My family and I were helping the poor and the needy. My wife and son died 2 years back. So now the old man continued his service. See, the beggar is not a beggar actually, he disguised as a beggar. Actually, he is a big landlord from the nearby town. Okay. So, without them, I continued my service. As I grew older, I wanted someone to take care of my wealth and service after me. You have to accept my request and fulfill my desire. Kalyan was recusant, but the old man pursued him and his family. The old man was happy that his service would continue many years even after his death. See, the landlord helping all the poor people with their family, but his wife and children died. So he continued his service and find out a worthy person. Kalyan is a worthy person to hand over all his properties and wealth to them. So that Kalyan was recusant, but the old man pursued him and his family. First, Kalyan disagreed. After that, they all agreed to take care of his property and also wealth. The old man was happy that his service would continue many more years even after his death. Even after the old man died, now he is happy because he handed over his service to Kalyan and his family. Okay. Now we move on to today's assignment topic. Today you are going to write question answer 2 times. Okay children, listen carefully. How did the rich man maintain his house? The rich man maintained his house luxuriously with a beautiful garden around it. See, in question it comes as maintain, but in answer it should be a past tense. So, maintained his house. Okay children, please listen and understand carefully. Second one is, where was the old man sleeping? Where was the old man sleeping, ma? Yeah, very good. The old man was sleeping under a tree. And third question is, what was the dish served to the old man? In Kalyan's gruel was the dish served to the old man. What was the dish served by Kalyan family? Yes, gruel was the dish served to the old man. I hope you all remember your meanings, children. Listen carefully. Now we move on to fourth one. Why did the old man need someone? Why did the old man need someone? Yes, the old man needed someone to take care of his wealth and service after his death. See, the old man needed one person to take care of his wealth and also his service after him. After him in the sense after death. The old man died. Kalyan and his family take care of his service, is it? So now we move on to fifth question. How did the old man disguise himself? Yes, this is very important question, children. Listen. The old man disguised himself as a beggar. How did the old man dressed himself as a beggar? Disguise in the sense changing appearance. Okay. The old man disguised himself as a beggar. So, now all 5 questions from this prose are over. Today, you are going to write all the 5 question answers 2 times, children. Listen carefully. Watch this lesson twice. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me, children. Okay? I hope you understood this prose, the gift. Is it, children? Is this prose very easy? Okay, children. Thank you so much for watching. Write your homework. Write 5 question answers 2 times and please post it in Google Classroom, children. And also press turn in. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.